Geneva. So happy to be here. We're going to share some songs with you tonight. If I could put all of these songs on one album, put them on one EP, I would title it Buried Thoughts. And you bury thoughts for many reasons. You bury thoughts for survival. You bury thoughts because you don't want to deal with them. You bury thoughts for other reasons because you're busy doing something else. You push them to the side. So these are a few of my buried thoughts. These are 5 of my buried thoughts. What I just shared with you was buried thought number 1. That first buried thought is called Kathy. I'll leave that with you and interpret it how you please. Buried thought number 2 is called Irrelevant. And we'll see what you take away. Working hard to maintain my relationships. Working overtime to be a better friend. Looking above, not just when I'm low. You can't always explain what I don't know, but I know I can overcome when I want to. How tough when I speak, short shorts when I think. You see it, make a decision about where I stand with God. Instead of examining my heart, you were on my spotlight, but your husband is Don't Leave. Wrote it in a time of feeling lonely. So, don't leave. I wrote this song, much like Miss Valentine. Wow. Trying to figure out what else I was going to do, something that would nurture this gift in me a little bit more. But I had many, many feelings to deal with. So, I know you can relate. Enjoy. Is called Satisfied. I'm satisfied with doing my best in life. I'm satisfied with not giving up. I'm satisfied with the presence that I feel near me as I journey through life. And I'm satisfied with the peace I feel in that presence. Anybody else satisfied?
I'm not